Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a thumbnail to your shorts video on YouTube in the year 2026 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, a shorts video that we have uploaded, and a thumbnail that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to content. Let's navigate to the short section. And if we were to, let's just say, click on any video and scroll to the bottom, we can now see that there is a thumbnail section that allows us to set a thumbnail that stands out and draws the viewer's attention. Let's go back one. Let us now go to the videos, the shorts videos that were first uploaded to the channel. So we want to now click on how to copy and paste on a Mac. Click on this. Let's now go to the desktop. Locate the image that we will be uploading to that video, and here we have it. Copy and paste on a Mac. That was created within minutes via Adobe Photoshop. There will be a tutorial in the near future on how to edit YouTube shorts, thumbnails, and then upload to that particular video. So we can now quit preview, go back to the video, how to copy and paste on a Mac, basic tutorial shorts. Let's now go to thumbnail options. We want to reselect, or we want to go back options, upload a file. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have copy and paste PNG. And that thumbnail is now uploading and overriding the previous thumbnail. Let's now click on save. That has now been updated. Let's now go back one to channel content. Let's go to view channel on YouTube. Let us now go to the shorts videos. Let's now go to the oldest videos. And here we have that thumbnail that has now been overridden and replaced with the new thumbnail that was created, exported, uploaded, saved, and the rest is history for Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit Safari. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.